just lay down. No, turn over back.
Lay on your back, silly.
There you go. Alright, see? This is nice and warm. It'll be easy. Alright, here we go. Open your mouth. Okay. There it is. Oh, I see it. It's wiggling. Listen. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Doing good? I feel it. Is that it right there?
Don't you ever scare us like that again.
You doing alright?
You're doing good, Charlie.
Awesome. So little. I can't even get it. Doing okay? I gotcha.
You watching TV?
Dang it. It's so tiny. It's ready though. Open up big. Ah. You okay?
It's coming out.
Mm-hmm. Almost. Oh, I see it. It's ready. Here we go. Doing okay? We're gonna lose it. Here we go.
It's hanging on good.
I know. Dang it.
You're doing good, Charlie.
I don't want to rip it.
I just say do it quick.
Almost. Almost got it. You're doing great. You're doing really good, buddy.
Remember, you get tooth fairy money.
Ooh.
Open real wide.
It's almost there.
And later, money is gonna come out
You
of
okay?
his mouth.
Almost got it, dude. Almost there.
And later,
awesome.
money's gonna come out of his tooth.
You're doing awesome. It's right there under. Almost got it. You okay? We'll take a break. You're doing good. Stop that. Hurry, hurry, hurry. It's bleeding.
Woo! Let's see, Charlie. Let me see real quick. Oh, you lost another one. Uncle Ken pulled it out.
Here you go, Charlie. Here. Like this. Watch this light. Swish it around your mouth. Hurry. Spit. Spit. Oh, shoot. Where'd it go? I dropped the tooth.
Right there.
Nobody move. We gotta get the tooth. We gotta get our money. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just don't wash it down the sink. You did so good, Charlie.
Good job, man.
Oh my goodness, look at you. All right.
Good job.